How do you revive a dead YouTube video that's no longer getting views or subscribers? In this video, you'll discover 7 ways to fix content on YouTube so you can get more views and subscribers on YouTube channel. Make a similar video. Here's a video I created 4 years ago that's received over 500,000 views since it was published, but now it only receives 30 views per day. Recently I created this video targeting the same content but using a different title. Currently it's received 700 views since it was published and gains 36 new views every 48 hours, so it's reviving my old content. It also currently ranks on the first page of YouTube with the title 10 Ways to Monetize YouTube Videos Without 1,000 Subscribers. It also ranks on the first page of Google search and shows a large thumbnail at the top of the page. If you want to fix your content that's no longer ranking on YouTube, make a similar video using the same content but using a different title. It will attract new views and subscribers. This video has gotten 7,000 views since it was published in 2016, but now it gets 0 views per day. Recently I created a video with similar content and used a different title, How to Create a Subscribe Link on YouTube in 2022. Currently this video has gotten over 27,000 views since it was published and gets over 293 views every 48 hours. Therefore I highly recommend creating new videos with updated content. Add the current year to your title. If you have an old video that you made last year or in previous years, add the current year to the end of the title so long as the content is still updated for the new year. This video was created in 2021 with the title How to Contact YouTube Support. I updated the title by adding 2022 to the end of the title to reflect the current year and because the content is still evergreen. As a result, this video has gotten over 21,000 views since it was published and still gets 224 views every 48 hours. As you can see from the graph, traffic increased when I added the current year to the end of the title. Create a short and link it to your long form video. If you have a regular video that's currently not getting a lot of traffic, create a short on a piece of the content of that particular video. For example, here's a video I created in 2019 on how to add a subscribe button, but it's only getting 8 views every 48 hours. Here's a shorts video I created titled How to Add a Subscribe Button in 60 Seconds. As a result, this shorts video has got over 6,000 views since it was published and currently gets 55 new views every 48 hours. It's currently ranked on the first page of YouTube, and it's also ranked number 1 on Google search and shows a large thumbnail at the top of the page. This means it's currently getting search traffic both from YouTube and Google every single day. I simply repurposed a piece of content from my old video that was no longer getting any views. You can do the same by creating a shorts video targeting a piece of content from a longer form video. You can even link the shorts video to the older video to revive its traffic. If it doesn't get more traffic, keep making content that strategically points to the older content. When you link your new content to your old content, it increases the session time on YouTube and triggers the YouTube algorithm to recommend your content to more people's watch pages. Change your channel trailer. Your channel trailer is the first video non-subscribers see when they come across your channel. If you want to drive more traffic from an old video so it'll rank on YouTube, make that video a channel trailer so it'll be featured prominently at the top of YouTube channel homepage and attract views from non-subscribers. Here's how to change your channel trailer. Click on the customization link in YouTube Studio. Under layout, you'll see channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Hover over the 3 dots that says options. Click change video. Select the video that you want to change the channel trailer to, then click publish. If you want to change the featured video for returning subscribers, hover over the 3 dots that says options. Click change video. Select the video that you wish to change the featured video to, then click publish. Add your video to a popular playlist. If you have a playlist on your channel that's currently getting a lot of traffic because of the popularity of the videos contained in the playlist, add a video to that playlist. Try to add it close to the beginning of your playlist to increase the chances of viewers watching that video in the playlist. You can also move that playlist to the top of a YouTube channel homepage so there's more chances of viewers seeing that when they visit your channel homepage. Another idea is to create a playlist of the top performing videos on your channel, then add the video that you want to rank on YouTube to that playlist. For example, here's a playlist on my channel homepage called Best of Ross Video that contains my top performing videos. If a viewer binge watches multiple videos in a row from a single playlist, it sends a signal to YouTube algorithm to promote your videos to more people's watch pages because you're keeping your viewers longer on the YouTube platform. You can also link to that playlist in the end screen and encourage viewers to watch it at the end of your video. You can also add a playlist link in the first 3 lines of your video description and also pin that link to the top of your comments. All these methods will encourage your viewers to watch more than one video, which YouTube loves. Rewrite your video title. A poorly written video title can sink the rankings of a YouTube video. If the title doesn't include the value and benefits of what the viewer is going to receive by watching the video, it's more likely that the video is not going to do well. For example, I titled the video that you're watching now, 7 Ways to Fix Content That Won't Rank on YouTube. It outlines the problem of not ranking your content on YouTube and gives you 7 ways to fix it. Identify the videos on your channel that are currently receiving little or no views, then rewrite the title so it's compelling and makes viewers curious to want to click on it and watch the video. Here's how to identify the videos that receive little or no views. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, click on the filter icon, click Views. Click the drop down. It says less or equal to. Add a value like 40, click Apply. Now you'll see all the videos on your channel that got less than 40 views over the last 28 days. Keep in mind that when you create a new title for an old video, it's going to take YouTube some time to re-index your video, so be patient. It could take a few days or even weeks. If you want to learn more on how to come up with better YouTube video titles, watch this video on 10 title tweaks to get more views on YouTube. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. Redesign your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is what viewers see first when they find your video in the search engines, in suggested videos, or on the YouTube home screen. The great thumbnail you created for your original video may no longer generate clicks because there's too much competition. Therefore, it's time to redesign your thumbnail. Identify the top 5 videos that are currently ranking on YouTube search, then study their thumbnails. Create a new thumbnail that stands out from your competitors' thumbnails so viewers be more motivated to click on your thumbnail instead of your competitors' thumbnails. Use contrasting colors, bold text, and don't use more than 3 words in your thumbnail. You also don't want to repeat the words that you used in your title. Another thing you can do is create 2 different thumbnails, then split test them using TubeBuddy's thumbnail split testing feature. After 2 weeks, TubeBuddy will show you which thumbnail received the most traffic. Then you can choose that thumbnail for your particular video. For example, here are the results of split testing 2 different thumbnails. It says, based on click-through rate, the original version of your video outperformed your variation by 26.05%. Under data analysis, it says, based on the total number of impressions and clicks, we are 87.50% sure that your original will perform better than the variation. Based on the results that TubeBuddy gave me, I would choose the original thumbnail over the variation thumbnail because it gets more traffic. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Revisit the thumbnails of videos that are no longer ranking on YouTube and replace that thumbnail with a newly designed thumbnail. Your video may attract new traffic and be revived. Now you know 7 ways to fix content that won't rank on YouTube. You can also use one of these methods to revive any dead videos on your channel. Another huge factor to get your videos to rank on YouTube is to increase the watch time. Watch the video on the screen right now for 12 ways to keep viewers watching your entire video. You'll be glad you did.